Hey everybody, it's Marley Guthrie, here with my DJ and organist, although he's not currently playing the organ, Professor Booty, everybody, the one and only. And we're going to perform a song by my favorite group right now, Bird Gut City, and the song is called Strunday. I've been working, bitch, sorry if I don't have time. I've been working, bitch, I'm sorry if I don't have time. Maybe I'll see you Strunday. Maybe I'll see you one day. Maybe I'll see you Strunday soon. Maybe I'll see you Strunday. Maybe I'll see you one day. Maybe I'll see you Strunday soon. Bitches won't stop bothering, they're calling on my phone. Mr. F's are wondering why I'm not home. But bitch, I can't call it, I can't call my bluff. No, bitch, I can't say it enough. I kinda like you, I think you might be friendly, a little bit too friendly for me, mon ami. I've been trying to forget myself, but I can't, because my face is in the mirror. I'm an egotist. Maybe I'll see you someday. Maybe I'll see you one day. Strunday soon. Strunday soon. Strunday, everybody. Professor Booty. He's got a doctorate
Not yet.
in getting down.
Oh yeah.
And I have to leave some. Yep. Bye, everybody.